Imagine two people starting their careers on the same day. Both are intelligent, hardworking, and earn the same salary. 10 years later, one has built wealth while the other is still living paycheck to paycheck. What made the difference? It wasn't luck, talent, or even income. It was one hidden habit, always choosing the safest financial option. Most of us are taught that safety is the smartest choice. Save every extra dollar, avoid all risks, and never make a financial mistake. While these habits sound responsible, there's a hidden cost that almost nobody talks about. When your money sits still, inflation quietly reduces its purchasing power year after year. Playing it too safe can sometimes become the riskiest decision of all. The danger isn't losing money overnight, it's losing opportunities slowly, without even noticing. Think about someone who never learns a new skill because they're afraid of wasting time, or someone who avoids investing because they're worried about short-term market drops. Years pass, and while they protected themselves from temporary losses, they also missed the chance for long-term growth. The people who build lasting wealth don't avoid risk completely. They learn to understand it, manage it, and take calculated risks when the potential reward justifies the decision. That's a very different mindset from gambling. It's about making informed choices instead of fear-based ones. Being financially smart isn't about finding perfect certainty. Perfect certainty rarely exists. Every decision has a cost. The real question is, which cost are you willing to accept? A small, calculated risk today, or the much larger cost of missed opportunities tomorrow? Before making any financial decision, ask yourself one simple question. Am I choosing this because it's truly the best option, or simply because it feels the safest? That single question can completely change the way you think about money. The goal isn't to chase every opportunity, it's to recognize that avoiding all risk doesn't guarantee financial success. In fact, it often guarantees slow financial progress. The smartest people don't become wealthy because they know everything. They become wealthy because they know when to step outside their comfort zone with a clear plan. Real wealth isn't built by avoiding every risk. It's built by making thoughtful decisions, learning from experience, and allowing time to work in your favor. Sometimes the biggest financial mistake isn't making the wrong move. It's never making a move at all.